journalctl. Hey guys, I found this tool that I've been using to analyze logs and I love it so much. If you work with Linux and you are in a position where you analyze a lot of logs, you are going to enjoy this. Let me first of all show you the tool I'm talking about. The tool is journalctl. Let's hit enter. This tool, you use it to view and manage logs collected by the Linux systemd journal. So you can use it to analyze logs generated by Linux kernel, system services applications, boot processes. There are various ways you can use this tool. Different flags you can use in order to produce output in different ways. I'm going to show you how. When we run this command, it shows us all the logs, as you can see. However, we can only list, let's say, 10 lines of logs. For example, we could use the same command with the flag -n. Let's say 10. It lists only 10 lines of logs for us. So with this, you would be able to kind of limit the output that the command presents to you. Sometimes you might want to view live log. You can do the same thing, but now with -f. With this, you view the log live. So if there are activities going on, once you issue this command, you will see the activity as they happen. Nothing is happening with my system at the moment. That's why you can't see anything. Sometimes you want to view logs related to a particular service. Let's say we wanted to view logs related to nginx. We can use the flag -u, then nginx. This is going to show us logs, all of them related to nginx. So if you have a service running on your server and you want to view only logs related to that very service, that's what you should, the command that you need. What if you wanted to view logs generated at a specific time? Let's say, for example, journal --since, let's say 1 hour ago. This will generate all the logs that happened in the past hour. This is really very great tool to use. With this very command, I'm able to see all the things that happened in the last 1 hour, which is quite a lot. We can also list all the things that happened today. In that case, we use the command journalctl since today. It shows you the logs related to things that happened today. If you wanted to see logs from the current boot, you can also use the same journalctl -b. It shows you all the logs related to the current boot. You might also want to view the previous boot. For example, it's almost similar. Here you have -b-1. This shows you the logs from the previous boot. Sometimes you want to see only the kernel logs. The command is also very easy. Just that. This shows you all the kernel logs alone. Sometimes you wanted to find out why a service failed. Let's say SSH. We can use the command journalctl-u SSH since, let's say, today. no entries. So if there were entries, you will find the logs there. Also, you might want to find system errors. You can use journalctl -p error -b. Here you find system errors. This is really very easy to use. Sometimes when you are debugging and you want to see the logs, as you do that, you can use journalctl -f. As you debug, you will be seeing the error appear here. Now let's see where the logs are stored. Let's go into var log journal. That's where the logs are stored. Let's see. This is where the logs are stored. Now let us check our disk usage. journalctl disk usage. Archived and active journals take up. Now it's telling us the amount that has been taken. You see? So I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, can I ask you to please subscribe to my channel, to like and to share. Thank you.